Okay, so the floor on the passenger side is really dirty. The carpet's got that classic old carpet, like kind of matted, hard feel. Um, I've already cleaned it and vacuumed it out a couple of times, but we're going to see what the shaving cream does to it. So, let's really get in there and kind of look. There's lots of little stains and spots, and this whole area here in the center is pretty much saturated with dirt. Okay, so we're going to see what shaving cream will do. Alright. Okay guys, just in case you're wondering how much I'm using, I'm covering it with a good generous coating all the way around. And then I started scrubbing with this, a scrub brush. It seems to work better than a sponge. So we're going to scrub this now and then see what it looks like. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after I scrubbed it. I still see some discoloration, but for the most part, I mean, it looks better. It definitely got the matting out of the carpet. So I don't know. I mean, is it a complete failure? I don't think so, but I guess time will tell. I want to wait for this to dry so all the white kind of goes away. I think that'll give me a better idea of what stains are still left, but I mean, I think it did a decent job considering it's like $1 can of shave cream. It's a little messy, but it seems effective. Alright, we'll check in later when it dries. Alright guys, so it's been like 2 hours and the garage is cold, but it's dried for the most part. Now I still see some discoloration, and from looking through the camera, it looks worse on the camera, if you guys find that easy to believe. It actually looks really good, and the carpet's like, it's got that fuzziness back, like it took all that matting of the dirt out of it. Obviously I might still do like a little bit more to see if I can bring it back to life a little, but yeah, I'm actually gonna say that the shaving cream did a pretty good job. I have to do the rest of the car now. Alright, thanks guys.